It's your boy Jay Cruz, aka known as the Audio Cat, here with another day and another video for you guys, man. We're doing something special, something very different. We have Turbo TV's Audi. He dropped off the headlights. He wanted to do some flow series. Never been done. This is gonna be a one-off build. We are on the process of separating the light right now. We just got it done. And I'm gonna do something for you, Turbo. I saw you had some pretty much tape on the outside of your light trying to cover this. I'm gonna smoke this out for you in the process and put the light together for you. We've just separated your headlight. You can see my son, the king of lights over here. Known as the Audio Fox, he's the king of lights, man. He has already separated your headlight, and now we're gonna start seeing what we're gonna do to make this Audi headlight. So look what he did, y'all. He had a little piece of smoke there to hide this. I'm gonna smoke this out for him and make it original. But now we got the headlights together, and we're gonna find out what we're gonna do to make this flow for Turbo TV. Headlight Turbo TV, your car is in pieces, my friend. Don't cry, dry your eyes. Here comes Isaac with those two little guys. They're gonna fix this up, man. He's gonna figure out exactly what he can do for you, Turbo TV. But I'm not gonna lie to you, it's very difficult. We've had nothing but difficult builds lately, and that's what makes you excel and makes you better, guys. So whatever difficulty comes your way, just press forward and get it done. So this is what I believe in. In life, you're gonna be challenged with many different walls in your life. Situation, problems, circumstances, all kinds of things in your life will arise against you. The difference between a man or a person who excels or has success is that he sees the wall and he figures out a way to get around the wall. A person who doesn't have a successful mind backs and retreats and just stays comfortable where they at. The word for this one's gonna be simple. We have a wall in front of us, we're gonna find a way. We're gonna dig a hole and go underneath it. We're gonna walk to the left, walk to the right, see where we can get around the building, or we're gonna have to go over the building. But one way or the other, you have to get around that circumstance. We're dealing with that circumstance right now with Turbo TV's lights. We're gonna definitely get it done. Stay tuned if we get the build going. God, man, we've actually figured out a way to get this done, and we have it. We have it done for Turbo TV. Watch this. I'm gonna have my son turn on the flow. So you turn on the flow for them right now on the Ghost module for me real quick, Isaac. He's a little grinchy sometimes, y'all. But I just want to show y'all, look, we got the light going together, and we are now gonna show you how it flows on this Audi headlight. One done, next one to go. So watch, give me a flow of some, give me the multicolor thing there.
No, I'll give you the one I like.
Show us the one you like. So like a pink and blue?
No, that's blue and
orange.
Right?
Yeah. Y'all see this? Done, y'all. So y'all can actually tell we got this flow series done on this car, y'all. Stay tuned if we finish up the build for Turbo TV. Hold on, Isaac, you're killing my view here, man.
No, bro.
Let my boys see this. Let my boys see this, man. You see what I gotta deal with these guys, man. You know what I'm saying? They're so into it. But they you know, they don't understand the rules. I'm just not gonna fight with them today, man. We're gonna keep it peaceful. I just gave y'all a positive word. I'm not gonna ruin it with their ignorance. But I mean, you want to show you with the lens on, so give me a second, y'all. This is what the result look like on this Audi, y'all. So we do have a Flow Series custom built Audi headlight, y'all. Nobody else has it, cause we just custom made it. Now I'm gonna take the car to his house. I'm gonna have my son heat weld it together, make sure everything's good, and then I should be able to go test it in Turbo's car, make sure we have no errors with the other stuff on the car. I'll be back in a few. Ladies and gentlemen, we got some clients up in the front of the shop, man. We got Hunter from the Dallas Sheriff Department. This is the guy we don't like in the shop because he's the one that messing with us when we're doing stuff in Dallas. So what you gotta tell the camera today?
Nothing.
You got nothing to say? You got Dallas Sheriff all over his head. So you see this face. We got his information, y'all. If y'all need to track him down, let me know. We got this young man came in for a dash kit, and then we got this guy. What you need today, sir?
Some tint.
You need some tint. I got a question. How long you've owned your car?
Oh, that my sister got. She had about 2 years.
2 years. And how long you had your car, man?
About 6 months.
6 months. You ever driven before? That's your first car? Have you guys, any of y'all, adjusted your fallopian tubes in your car?
No.
No? Why? Huh? What is the fallopian tube? You say that.
That car ain't got it.
Well, how you know the car ain't got it? What is it?
You tell me what it is.
I'm asking you. You can't. You ain't Bill Clinton to be asking me a question with a question. What's wrong with you?
You said.
I asked you a question.
But I don't want you to answer me.
I know the answer. I want to know if you know the answer.
Why you can't tell me what
Because I'm asking you to see if you know what a fallopian tube is.
You tell me what it is.
I know what it is. Do you know what a fallopian tube is? No. Do you have any kids?
Yep.
How many kids you got, man?
2.
Man, congratulations. How old are you?
29.
Damn, that's not bad. 29, 2 kids, you're doing good. You have any kids?
1.
How old are you?
25.
Damn, you at the borderline. You have any kids yet?
I have no kids, but I do know what it is.
How old are you?
27.
He's falling behind, y'all. You see the difference? We believe in reproducing our name quick. They just want to hold it back for a while. Like, they just want to be sure they got the right one before they get anything involved with a woman. You have a woman?
Yeah, I'm married.
How long you been married to your man?
I'm married. Married no man.
You ain't married? What's your man's name?
I ain't married to no man.
What's your girl's name?
Monica.
Monica, not Lewinsky, right? The Oval Office, y'all. We can playing around with the customer, man. We got a special guest in the building today, man. Coming to bust my chop. Where is she at? Mrs. Audio Cat. You came to the shop. What do you want to tell the shop today?
So I was talking to him about this car.
Yes, you don't even understand.
So my opinion is that he should actually get this fixed because this is not gonna come out nice and even before y'all cut and for your hips.
Well, we have our tactic. They took this car and they demolished it, but we're gonna get it right. That's all you can see. We're gonna get it right. It is tough, but we're gonna get it done. Adodo, what you want to tell the camera today?
Who said that? Golo, you said that? Nobody asked me?
No, I didn't say that.
My opinions matter around here.
It's a mind over matter. No.
For no reason.
No, it's a thing of mind over matter. I no longer mind because you no longer matter. Stay tuned, y'all. We continue. All right, my cruise crew. So you guys understand what's going on. I'm on my way to Turbo TV's house. He is actually doing some custom wrapping for his vehicle after the accident that he had. So right now I am driving to his house because the car is not drivable. So I'm headed out to his house right now to be able to go ahead and get this done for him. Install him, wired in for him, and get his car situated since the car's not drivable. Great guy, man. He's, you see him a lot on my video. We've been hanging out a lot lately. He is the president of the Highway Bullies organization. We are also part of that organization. We are also part of SRT Life. We should be having our initiation very soon. But we're driving there to his house to get him situated. So stay tuned and I'll show you guys exactly what we're doing when we get to Turbo's house. This is what's going on. We just made it to T-Rob's home, man. We're over here with Turbo himself. We're over here with T-Boy himself. T-Boy, what you want to say, man?
Man, stay tuned.
I can't show y'all the car because you got a sneak peek coming up, but I can tell you one thing, it looks flamboyant, as Isaac would say. But my question to you is gonna be, you ready to get this module done?
Hell yeah.
So I'm gonna show y'all what we got going on, man. Stay tuned. All right, cruise crew, so I'm at this house. I already got my Power Pro, my equipment out here. I'm beginning to find the wires. Late night at T-Rob's house. You don't even understand. This must be special, huh? Yeah. Coming after hour when the wifey waiting for me and everything. This is special stuff right here, right? This deserves like, I don't know what it deserves, but it deserves something. But I'm gonna get all the wiring situated, get the modules plugged in, and y'all get to see the final result very soon. Stay tuned. All right, cruise, at this point in time, we've got the wiring done for him. As you can tell, it's all set up and ready to go. Now we got T-Rob about to go ahead and set up the headlights, put them back in there because he took them apart. I'll show you guys the final reveal in a few minutes. Stay tuned, man. This is a one-off Audi, never done, built by AUDIOZONE, truly, man, so stay tuned. Cruise, so we are at the, you can see, dark as hell outside. It's late night hours, came to T-Rob's house to get him done, to make him feel happy. I know he's been a little bit disillusioned with the car, with the accident, but we're gonna hopefully put a smile on his face. So we're about to reveal something to him. Take a look at it. Now this is just a basic blue. We're gonna show you some of the flows going on. It's a ghost module, so you can program whatever and whatever colors you want, whatever patterns you want, however you want it. Watch. So of course that's your favorite.
It's a bitch.
It has a pink on it. But he's gonna show you some of the features there too, but I'm gonna show you something else as they get it going, guys. Stay tuned. Showing him some features. Isaac is just walking through some features on the new lights he has. That could be a regular DLR, you could be Flow Series. You can actually design from the app that you have. You have the Ghost module, so you can actually design anything and everything you want on this car to do. So first features, you can make it whatever color you want, whatever pattern you want. You could also do DLRs, turn on the car, turn off the car, all the features you could possibly want. You can choose it right from that application, man. So right now, Isaac is giving a quick demo, and he gets it pretty much going to go. So you'll be seeing this in the streets pretty soon, y'all, with T-Rob out there doing something that no other Audi has, because nobody has this, period. Nobody. Nobody, you ain't seen it. You'll be the first Audi. This is an Audi what?
S6.
S6 out there with Flow Series DLR. So thank y'all for what? Before that, what's your comments, man? You gotta tell me about how you feel.
Man, first of all, I'm very thankful. That's first. Second of all, man, y'all gotta go to AUDIOZONE and get some work done because we breaking trends, man. We starting trends. This is the first one that's done like this. As y'all can see, I can't stop looking at my life.
I'm gonna show y'all what he's doing.
But man, I love it. I'm overly impressed. I most definitely didn't think you was gonna be able to do all this.
Bro, this is AUDIOZONE. We're gonna do it. We're gonna thank you guys for the watching, man. Thank y'all for the support. Y'all be good and God bless.